Alright guys, we should be good now. Guys, music is killing me. Oh my god. Sorry. Let's wait a second. The whole market tanked. Yeah. One sec, guys. Sorry, I had to restart everything. I don't know what was going on with my system and stuff, but it was whack. No, it's that time of year, almost Christmas. Alright. Oh man. Not too many people coming in. I need to delete those other videos from the channel. So let's get into it. So, okay. Kind of going into the day with probably gonna be talking about AMC a lot because I did enter some call options if you watched the video I posted today. For once gonna be, you know, feeling juicy on Tesla rebound today. I don't care about the MACD. But I guess it could be cool. After hours, I think it's like at 7:40. I think. I feel like I'm pretty sure. I kind of want to do some research on some stocks tonight. Yesterday was a pretty good stream, really good talks. We had some good conversations. But I definitely want to kind of just like look at some stocks tonight. Do some DD. Yeah, it's like 7:40. It'll probably bounce back higher. I don't know if you guys watched. I was just watching the Vlad and Dave Portnoy. I think that was interesting. So, I want to see the Nasdaq drop. To be honest, he's the one we deserve. So, I want to see the Nasdaq drop because I think if the Nasdaq drops, it'll increase the chance of AMC going up. When indexes do bad, AMC has been doing pretty good. So, I don't think I want to change it. You know. I like your cut. Oop, I slapped my. Dude, the Christmas music. Oh my god. Wish I could just ban the Christmas music. That's all I need to do. Man, lower back is killing me tonight. Crypto with the bounce back. Dude, I'm so pissed. I lost my Embiid bet. Yeah, I was running like $700 down the drain. But I only put in like 150. I turned 150 into like 820. Then I lost a little bit. Then Embiid just screwed me over. God, this guy's trash. He's a walking trash can. I mean, dude. Gosh, he's so bad. I don't know how he did it. 17, 3 for 13. That's what pain looks like, just so you guys know. That's what pain looks like. He makes like half of those shots. It's like 28 points. Gosh, walking dumpster. I knew I shouldn't have taken it too. He was averaging like 35 a game though. Like it was like crazy. Like look at his past games. I took him because he had a bad game the first night, which spoiler alert doesn't mean anything going to the next nights. No, get out. I don't want to listen to Charles Barkley. Get out of here. Let's go. What is this? Look at this player. I just want you guys to to let these crappy player stats really soak in. Dude, this hurt. This hurt. I'm not gonna lie. This was pain. Dang, I got some people that left. Embiid is trash. It's rough. Get out of that. I don't want to look at that. Down the drain. That was gonna be for AMC calls too. Not anymore. Anyways, so CPSH, I'll look at it. Yeah, I still like CPSH. I still think it's fine. I mean, what I'm gonna be covering is gonna be either due diligence on certain stocks or AMC in general. That's it. Nothing else. I could care less. We'll talk about anything else, but kind of not really taking requests tonight. Overall, though, I really do like AMC. I think AMC is looking really good, like, honestly. Especially, like I said, indexes can stay beat up. I think it ties right in with AMC. Oh, video stopped. My connection could be bad. Yeah, so I'm not peeping videos tonight, guys, or specifics. Yeah, my bit rate's really low for some reason. I don't know why. The stream just doesn't want to work tonight. That's strange. Awesome, Ron. I appreciate the love. Appreciate all the love. So yeah, pretty much all I'm gonna cover is just like stocks I'm gonna cover tonight. I'm just chilling. Might not be that long, but overall, looking at AMC, I like what we're getting. If we get a little bit of push down, I don't really care. Holding above VWAP, you know, keeping that momentum to the upside definitely looks strong. But overall, you love to see it. Tomorrow, if, you know, indexes stay kind of flat. Dude, man, what is the video messing? I think the video's messing up. Pull up on my phone. My computer has been on like all day, which tends to affect the stream negatively. Where are you at? Where's the... Let me pull up the stream really quick. It's showing up on my monitor that the bit rate's down, which I don't doubt. Like, I do need to cycle the router. I do need to do that. I haven't done it in a minute. In a hot minute. Anyways. Oh, crap. So yeah, looking at AMC, I don't really care if we get somewhat of... Dude, I'm telling you, the slow... This is what we wanted. I've been like, it's not like surprising, but it's like, it's so satisfying to really get that movement that you expect and you really wanted from a chart. You know what I mean? And we're finally getting it right with AMC, like the slow movement. And I think Trey made a really good point. So like, everyone thinks I hate on Trey. I'm gonna troll. I'm just like joking around all the time. So some people might take it offensively. I don't know, but I mean, I definitely give like credit to where credit's always due, right? I need to fact check it. This is a good point. Like on Friday, like 100, there's a lot of options closing. If we close at around the $8 marker, dude, we could see some crazy movement going on. Man, this is crazy. Like we could see some really good movement, really good. So I think he actually knows what he's talking about here. And then like with this, like man, this is like crazy. But I do think this $8.74, $9 range is going to be tough, but I definitely think it could push through. So, like, just be careful. There's going to be an AMC squeeze. It is possible. I don't know. I don't like to, like, say the word squeeze. It gets everyone, like, a lot of hope. I don't like running on hope. Not on Chegg. I like Chegg. Cool company. I use them every day. Probably going to use them. I have some tests tomorrow, so I'll probably use them tomorrow. Really beat up. They did really good on earnings. Revenue, not EPS, obviously, but hard support. It's just tech is taking a beating, and tech could continue to bleed. But you see Nasdaq bumping back up. Nasdaq probably does well tomorrow. I would like to see a bleed though tomorrow. Johnny, cover me. I don't know. It made a small margin today, but that is a it's crashed in Denver. FRX. So like someone told me about them a while back when they were down here. So like it was brought to my attention in this range. I just didn't like them. What was your strike? Go look in the video. I think it was next. The strike was next week. I mean the expiration was next week. The strike was $10. I think they're like 56 cents each. I think. You go look at the video. I know the volume's messed up in that part. Johnny Seal. This guy looks like a sad camper over here. Don't bring the negativity in the chat, dude. I don't want to roast anyone. I don't want to have to roast anyone. So FRX, I dislike these types of companies. Like any type of like workout company that's like, you know, apps and stuff like that. I never really get excited about those companies. Like fundamentally, I'm not gonna like them. Is there room just based on like Peloton's business model? They're like showing that's a huge market, right? And you can make a lot of money there. I just don't know about them. And I know I would never get behind them. Gorilla. We are not Gorilla Gang, baby. We're a Sniper Gang with an E. But yeah, so FRX, I'm not crazy about them. They're meh, whatever. AMC. Dude, looking at the chart, man. Looks so good. So good. Doesn't look double toppy at all. Man, it looks real. I'm curious to see how we move in the after hours pre-market tomorrow. Only thing that concerns me is that money starts to flow out of AMC because everything's kind of bouncing. If we stay down though, I think it could really fly. So like, thoughts and prayers that indexes stay down and Nasdaq and the AMC starts to soar. What do you think about MVIS? I could care less about it. Oh, okay. AMC earnings, good topic. Pretty sure it's like Tuesday next week. It's a good guess. No, it's Thursday. No, is it Thursday or Wednesday? I'm sorry. I can tell you. It's gonna be Thursday. It's Thursday. No. Thursday in the after hours, so basically Friday, I guess, is the day it would really come into play. Their earnings are probably gonna be terrible. I mean, I would assume their earnings. There's no way they're gonna beat. There's no way they just started opening up theaters in major, like in New York and stuff. Whereas Cinemark's have been open for a long time now. Like they've kind of reopened immediately. So I don't see AMC beating on anything or doing well across the board on anything to do with earnings. So that should not be your anticipation. I plan on not being on any call options by the time the earnings hit, to be honest. That's just my personal opinion. Connor, you might have been the person preaching it to me. I don't like the business. I don't like it. You know what I mean? That's like something I like despise too. Like, I hate those like workout apps and stuff. Can't stand them. Only workout thing I'd buy if it came out would be if CrossFit became like a actual company, which I think it would be successful, but I think the sport is definitely getting bigger. But overall, so let's look at some. I'll look at some stocks. I'll look at this website. This website's pretty cool. I forgot who showed me this. It is a really cool site. You can like, it has a pretty decent amount of information for your stocks as well. I forgot my information. And a decent screener. Don't love it. It's okay. I think Market Chameleon might be better. Let's take some stuff. Unfortunately, I know they are debt free. Who's debt free, Blaze? Oh, MVIS. It's a hype play in my opinion. I don't know if they're dead for you or not. I couldn't tell you or not. But I'd fact check for yourself. Don't believe YouTubers. But if the indexes bounce up tomorrow, chances are they do well. Like, kind of feel the gap too. So chances are they do well. The only downfall here, in my opinion, like I keep saying, is you're playing for an acquisition. That's the real upside here. You know what I mean? Could take a while. They got great cards, but I sold up CCIV as well. Subscribe on this guy right here. Will be adding position tomorrow. Support the cause. Personally, I don't think Lucy can compete with Tesla. So, okay, so this is my statement with Lucid and Tesla. It's like, they're not competing with Tesla. That's not their thought process. And if you listen to their CEO talk, and I've said in videos and posted the video where he states it, they're not direct competition with Tesla. That's where everyone gets it wrong. That's not they even said it. We don't want to compete with Tesla. We're in a different category as them. We're the luxury. We're the BMW, Mercedes of this category. Teslas are relatively... Dude, more Christmas. Are you kidding me? So, people get that part twisted when it comes to CCIV. And now I have to talk about Tesla in their videos when I talk about them, because a market share will be taken somewhat from Tesla, but that's not their competition. It's like comparing I guess Honda / Lexus. I'm trying to think, like, in Infinity. That's what I would consider Tesla, like Infinity, and then Lucid would be considered like an upper end Mercedes, Audi, BMW, like the higher end scale cars, because they are worth 70 to 80,000. Their cheapest model is like 80,000. So that's worth noting. The tech behind Lucid is said to be better, and their batteries are said to have 600 miles, give or take. So that's pretty good as well. So you can see, like, justifying paying more. But, you know, it hasn't been released yet, not on the market yet. It does get released end of March, early April. So when that gets released, I do suspect them to start moving in the market. You know, so that's my theory behind them. Yeah, Connor. I mean, yeah. So like, it's just what I like. Yeah, totally. That's what I'm saying. Like, some people like it. Like, I don't like Peloton, but I see that there's a market for it. You know what I mean? I just don't. I just like mentally can't get behind them. So I know it's rough. Lucid's valuation was 25 billion. Yes, it was. They came out and said it. Even in the video I posted, the CEO says it out loud out of his mouth. Everyone okay? We're crying today. I'm crying because Joel Embiid sucks. So I'm crying about. I cannot believe this game, man. I can't. God, depressing. Down the drain. Just. INUV already made a video on it. You can go look it out. Hey, how much will the earnings call affect? Vaughn, that's a good question. That's a better question. How much will the earnings call affect AMC? I don't think they affect him too much, to be honest. I mean, I don't want to say that. I don't want to be in AMC during the earnings, though. I want nothing to do with that. Like, at all. At all. So, there's that. $10K sub soon. Hopefully. I've been kind of slacking with the videos. I've just been tired, you know? Especially with school, because with the Texas stuff going on, with like the freezing, it kind of pushed all my midterms to the same week. That's been tough. Their earnings are gonna be terrible. Earnings for AMC are gonna be awful. So Gabriel, yes. So I don't, like I said, I think we could get a move come Friday, to be honest. But I think this is gonna be similar to what Sundial did. And let's look at Sundial really quick. Excuse me. Like Sundial, man, like this was beautiful. What was going on with Sundial? Absolutely beautiful. The pinching that we had, and then we just gradually started moving up, right? It's kind of what we're seeing from AMC. A little bit slower, which I don't mind it being slower. But I like how we're moving. And I don't think the real volume is kicked in yet. I do think it looks really, really good. I'm going on CCIV. I don't think it's a $15 stock by summertime. That's it's optimistic, to say the least. INEV. I'm still holding my stock that I have in them. I'm fine, but like 1.28. I mean, it dropped down, recovering nicely. Indexes just keep dropping. I mean, like I don't know what to say. Like people are like, "What's going on? What's going on?" The indexes just go down. I mean, what do you think? What do you think makes up the indexes? You know, you know what I mean? What makes the index? Like, what makes what makes them? You know, so. Sundial has okay from what I've heard. Oh god, the critiques are coming. I'm a fan of NIO. Once their vehicles are announced to be sold in the U.S., stock will explode. They have a great reputation. I don't know if they're gonna focus on the U.S. market because I don't think they want to use. I don't know if anyone wants to be the first to market with the battery swapping tech. You know what I mean? It could work, but I don't see it being like a hot I don't know. Maybe it could, but I think there's gonna be difficulties being first to market with battery swapping and then setting up those stations everywhere. You know what I mean? That's gonna be a challenge. We should hang. I'm in Houston at a novice trader, bro. Coronavirus, man. I'm locked up. Have you talked about EOHS? No, I haven't. I don't know what the company. Yeah, okay, I know what that company is. No idea what this is. It's an eighth of a cent, bro. I don't know what this is. No idea. I can't tell you what that is. Logistics. Palantir, I mean, guys, I love the company, but I mean, you'll ask me every night about this Palantir. You'll ask me all the time. I can't believe it dumped back down. You didn't buy that? Oh my god. Oh man, that is crazy. Wow. I'm buying stuff with dry off tears. Oh, that's good. That's good. ACST, I don't know what that is. Guys, I hate therapeutics. It's taking a pummeling though. Be careful. Guys, we want the Nasdaq to burn to the ground tomorrow, okay? We want this crap to go down. Okay, we want it to burn. I mean, it's all hypothetical, but Nasdaq goes down, statistically speaking, AMC has done well. So let's get the Nasdaq to burn. We'll bounce back eventually, but let it be after AMC goes up. I'm smashing a buffalo pot roast right now. So good. Dude, Tyler Durden, this dude over here, the autist, favorite guy in the world. This guy's the most random guy in the chat. But he's dedicated to coming to the stream. BTC and ADA already climbing back. Dude, I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. Can someone do DD and smoke high-tide weed? I made a video on them already. I love them. They're up huge today. Doing very well. They're the best company in that sector. Mark my words. Can someone do DD or that one? I want Palantir to hit low 20s. It's not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. If it hits low 20s, no way, Jose. No way, Jose. Denison dipped back above $1. But market's down. Like, you know what I mean? Just daddy chill. What are your thoughts on NGA price under 20? I don't know what that company is. It's a SPAC. I don't know what they're merging with, so I couldn't tell you. For AMC for summer, dude, I think the hype will be gone by summer, so probably true value like around $5 probably, I would assume. Before you get any merger, so like people that are talking about like the merger news on AMC, like this is my theory on that personally. I don't think anyone's discussing merger news with them right now. Okay, Amazon, Netflix, anybody. I think they're gonna wait, and this is what I mean, think about what you would do if you wanted to buy a company and you knew their value was going to tank in a matter of months, and they can only stay afloat until the end of the year, right? And they were in an industry that was dying. They took out major loans. They were hurting, right? They were just trying to survive, right? But right now, you could probably make an offer. They probably accept. But you could wait a few months and wait for their stock price to plummet because all the hype would be gone. And if you make an offer right now, you're probably buying an inflated price of the stock, and you can't really get a great deal for it because it's not bleeding yet, right? Theoretically, this is just my assumption of what's going on, right? Okay, so bear with me. That's where I'm at. So if a company like Amazon, yes, they have billions and billions of dollars. They could easily buy it. But why? That's my thing. Why make the offer now when you could wait 3-4 months, the hype to be over, most likely, and get it for a much better, cheaper deal? That's my thoughts. That's what I would do. But I'm not Jeff Bezos, so I don't know. I mean, he could have a better idea than me. Zom, big old dip today, bouncing back up strong. It's probably a solid buy, to be honest. It looks pretty nice going into like their earnings and then their new product they're dropping. Now, earnings could be bad, so don't follow me there. Earnings could be horrendous, could be terrible. So ride the hype and change the game. I've never even heard that, so I mean that could be a new method. I don't know, but this is me personally. I don't know, so it's kind of hard to say like in the summer what they're gonna be. Jagex. I think of RuneScape every time I think of this company. Their therapeutics into that. I don't love them. I wouldn't touch them. People have been asking me for weeks. I mean, AMC's earnings could come out good and surprise the world, and I don't think so, but it could. I mean, it's possible, RuneScape sucks. Frig off, Leahy. Frig off. Dude, the stream's dead tonight. This is why I don't stream at 9 o'clock. This is why I wait till 10. I'm telling you, 10's like a much better time. I don't know why. What to survive this low rip of the market? Buy and hold ZCAN in 25 to 30. What is ZCAN? What is this? I see a lot of people talking about this one. I think there's a lot better dip buys out there. Recovered really nice though on that dip today. A lot of stuff did though. Indexes don't look good. And forward Oshkosh. Yeah, I saw Oshkosh got that deal. OSK. Isn't it OSK? Yeah. Looking pretty good. Honestly, did buy is pretty decent. Wow. Clear uptrend too for the past few months. Yeah. Man, yeah, it's a hard buy though. I wouldn't know if I'd buy it there. Don't keep LKO past if you're US. I know a lot of people are looking at LKCO. I don't know what they are. These Chinese companies scare the hell out of me though. Getting beat up though, I'll tell you that. But everything is, so can't get too emotional. Playing chess, not checkers. Drop the gym. I try. Do you think the whales have ruined crypto? They essentially inflate and deflate at a whim. So no, so the reason why crypto is going up right now is because like these major people, like Square just announced they're like doubling down by like $150 million worth of crypto. Like I don't think anyone's hurting crypto right now. Crypto's in the strongest place it's ever been in, so it's in a good place. Have you had a chance to do DD on SOS, see if they're a legit company? No, I haven't looked into them at all. Honestly, I've been like taking this like market crash time as like a downtime and a break. This has been nice. Like I've just been chilling, like just focusing on schoolwork. I had my son, spent a lot of time with him, so kind of been chilling lately. Cause like the month of January and like half of February was brutal. It was a lot of work. I was like just dumping so much content out. Like, and I mean not like bad content. I was just working my ass off. I want to make a video going over like December through mid-February, because that was literally some of the hardest stuff I had to go through, just like work-wise and mentality-wise and stuff like that, because I mean I pushed it pretty close to being fairly broke. But I mean I in the back of my mind I was like, if worst case scenario I liquidate all my funds and pay some stuff off and I'll be okay, I guess. But but I don't know. I wasn't like freaking out or anything like that, but I was like, man. What do I think about XRP? I don't like XRP. Big dislike it. Don't like it. Terrible. I think it's like one of the worst cryptos. They've had so much stuff about them. Not everyone wants the Tindy. Not everyone wants the Tindies. Alright, I'm gonna go grab a Diet Coke really quick. Give me like 5 seconds. I'll be right back. I'll try to stay on pretty late tonight. I don't mind. Yeah, give me a sec. I want to actually look at plays for tomorrow. I do want to trade some options tomorrow, but if the market's looking brutal, I'm not gonna touch it again. Like I'm not gonna force trades. Like I lost like 22, 23, close to 2,500 for the past like 7 days. So I just like stopped touching it. I'm like, fine, I'll just wait. I don't care. AMC does have me bullish, guys. Keep the people in the chat when they come in. Let me go grab a Coke really quick. I'll be right back. Enjoy the beautiful music. I need to get I get a new chair bad. This thing sucks. It's like 4 years old. It's toasted. Should we change the background color of the chart? I feel like we change it all the time though. How do we know when the crypto bear market kicks in? It starts to go down. I don't know what you mean. What kind of question is that? Feel you, dude. I was almost homeless 3 years ago. My tutoring business, light trading has me up 100K. Nice, man. Yeah, it was rough. It was definitely rough for me. But hey, we're doing good. We're doing good. It's hard work. That's all it is. Need to lube that door first. So the last thing I'm lubing. I'm probably gonna need some lube after all this crap. Taking a beating. Dude, at least the Nasdaq's dumping. I'm curious. Hey, I'll get back on stocks. I'm curious. And this isn't, it's not racist because I'm the race, so you can't be racist towards me. I'm giving you permission. What race do y'all think I am? I mean, I feel like I've told most people. I'm curious what race y'all think I am. Please buy a Tesla for yourself, Tyler. You won't ever go back to the gas car. The goal is to buy. That's what only thing I want to do for this year is buy myself a Tesla. That's what I want to do for myself this year, and I will do it when I graduate college. I graduate like in May, June. I have like 2 classes to do in June, but they're really easy. I actually put my 2 capstones, and then I took an elective for upper level marketing, which is like a senior, or I think it's a master's class you take. Anyways, it was a stupid idea. That thing is very difficult, but yeah, lube is useless with diamond hands. I don't know, diamond hands plus lube doesn't sound. You're a mixed breed, Hispanic, race American mutt. You're an effing Italian, a mixed poodle. You're mixed like me, no doubt. Don't come at me with the human race. Come on, get out of here. Get out of here. Nah, I'm black and white. I was just curious. A lot of people say Hispanic. A lot of people say Hispanic. Oh, that was funny. This chick just sent me a picture, and I just commented like way later. To give great lips. She said something. I go, I'm a big fan. Oh man. I feel like sometimes I say stuff and it's just like, man. That's funny. I heard you talk about it, but I thought you were white Latino now. Yugoslavian. Okay, so let's Okay, I'm getting so off track here, guys. Okay. All right, we're gonna change the name of this stream too. Wait, what can I edit? Oh wait, can I? Oh, I can. Here, one sec. Oh man, crap. Which side do I vibe with the most? Man, I think I'm more. So I mean, I would say I'm more white. I have more like white boy tendencies. I definitely think I'm athletic though. But I was just around my white side of the family more than that side of the family than my black side. So that's why. I mean, I have black friends, I have white friends, whatever. Why are you on early night? Because y'all told me that I'd get more people if I got in earlier. But it turns out Tyler was right. You know, I'm a finance major, but I love marketing. I love the psychological effects of marketing. I love how marketing lines up perfectly with data. And so I have a reason why I do my certain lives and why I post all my videos at a certain time. It's because I know what works for me. And I know starting at 9:30 to 10 o'clock is the best time for me to stream. That's where I have 58 viewers right now. Also, we're kind of sucking. Okay, so crap. All these videos up, man, they have my throat dying. DHT. I'll take some requests. If you have requests, pump them out in the chat. I'll take all your requests right now. Let's go. Let's run through them. DHT getting absolutely annihilated along with the rest of the market. Bright side, kind of getting a double bottom at this 550 range. That does look good. We didn't break down and touch 540, which is definitely a possibility. And it's holding above VWAP. I do like it. It looks like it's trying to get an uptrend going. If the if the indexes and Nasdaq if the indexes open up on the downside, it's probably going to the downside with it. Probably gonna aim to touch 540, maybe even lower, like 527. I don't know. You know, overall, that's what it is. Zkin, I don't know anything about this company, so I hear a lot of people talking about them. I probably should look into them. Looking absolutely terrible, getting a straight push to the downtrend, even though the Nasdaq was bullish at the end of the day. It's not looking great. Push below the daily open, could push down to like 820, could go even lower to be honest, so I don't want to stay too optimistic. Finally push below the VWAP, which kind of flipped the whole momentum. So if indexes open up bad, it's probably going to really take a hit. BE, Bloom Energy. Oh boy, I lost like $1,700 in this one this week. Let me tell you something. So I entered the week right here. I was like, oh dude, we're touching the monthly open. We're going to the moon. Buying here. Easy. Spoiler alert, we didn't. We went down further. Bought more here. I ended up selling like 30 flat, 31 give or take. It's underneath a lot of resistance and support. So long term, I think it's a great play. Financially, they're one of the best clean energies out there right now. Holding this local bottom, as you see right here. You couldn't ask for anything better. That looks really good. If indexes come out weak tomorrow, chances are Bloom Energy continues to bleed. Needless to say. I don't understand why people are on the channel constantly but not hitting the thumbs up. I don't know. Preach to the choir. How's the SINS chart looking? Well, let's look at it. I think their tech is poop, just so you know. Got a flat. I mean, you had this flash crash on like everything this morning, so I mean, it's not that bad. And a strong retracement back to the upside, even though the Nasdaq was moving as well. So that is good. Back above VWAP, momentum on the bullish side of things. Like I said, though, indexes open up bad, and this pushes below the VWAP, things could get bad. As long as it stays above the VWAP, I do like it. NK, I don't know what that is. What is that? I don't know what this is. Looks terrible. Super gap below VWAP. I hate it. Wouldn't touch it. Thoughts on ZOM? Looked at it earlier. Not crazy about it. Got the flash crash we were talking about. I don't feel too bullish. It could push up to like 220, give or take. Would expect a rejection on the first try. I don't think their earnings are going to be great, but I do think they're going to have room to go up after the earnings. So what I would look for here on ZOM personally is a push down from earnings and then buying the dip on the earnings because they're going to be releasing their product, I believe, in like the 13th, 14th of March. I could be wrong, but I want to find out that date before I make any decisions. Shipping stocks are so awful. I have no idea why people continue to buy them. You're telling me I want some CTRM and I haven't been looking at it. They had a really nice bounce back, so I don't dislike that. UWMC, let's look. Getting brutally attacked. Honestly, under $9, under $8. It's crazy. So cheap. I think they're extremely overlooked. They beat on earnings constantly. They're such a good company. I like them a lot. They're just a boomer stock. So be careful. Sorry to talk about JD. No, I didn't talk about it. What is it? I don't know what it is. So I'm just doing like reviews. I don't know if I don't know anything about your company, I can't help you. Gold miner shares. God, I don't like gold right now. I'd rather play silver. Silver has both catalysts, energy wise, and then inflation wise. So I would play silver over gold. I guess I'll stay away from the pharma. I mean, do whatever you want. I'm just telling you what I see on the stock. That's what we're doing here. I had that flash crash. That was a beautiful buy. If you got it at $54 today, gosh, that was insane. They have earnings tomorrow. Ooh, no, they don't. No, they don't. No, they don't. That's Friday. The earnings on Friday. They're probably gonna have really strong earnings. I would anticipate very strong earnings from these guys. But yeah, so maybe continue up. I don't know. Sketchy play. IDEX taking a beating. This was the buy zone $4 range, but like I said, index is getting brutally attacked. Can't save you. Did you buy AMC? If you watched the video I posted today, yes. I actually went over my entries and everything. I actually recorded myself buying it. So there was no questions. I'm pretty mad I couldn't get in yesterday, though. I'm pretty mad about that. I was just so busy. Planet 13, man, I'm seeing so much stuff on Planet 13, and I really, really, really do like those guys. I'm getting on the hype from these guys. I don't even know what they do. I have no idea what they do. I think if the market starts to really move back to the upside, they're going to do really well. Lots of potential upside here. One sec. I hate how Square dumped a bit based on after hours barely missing earnings. And their announcement of dumping money into Bitcoin. That was kind of bad for them. And the reason the stuff with Square was bad, dumping money into Bitcoin, was because of this skepticism of it, I guess. I don't know if that's the right word. It's not a very safe play. Yeah, it's dead. Yeah, YouTube's dead today. Everyone's sad. Fave Silver. I haven't done enough research. I need to start doing research on them. Like I said, today's been. This week and a half has been just chill for me. What's the ceiling price of AMC? I can't tell you that. You know, it's hard to say. The moon. I don't know. I might hop off here in a sec, man. I'm kind of pooped. I'm ready for the markets to get back to normal, I'll tell you that. So, quick question. So this is a good question. Good question. So I'm trying to think because I paid for the community app, which the community app is basically, it connects to my phone. So basically it enables people to be able to text me, but it's like a work phone number basically. So I don't get constant notifications. I can turn it off or mute it whenever I want. But it enables you guys to be able to text me. So I'm curious like what I would provide if I gave that out. Because I used to have a Discord and like send out any like quick updates I had. But now I'm partnered with another group of people, and that's kind of what enabled me to go full time into YouTube and stuff, is because I partnered with them, and I don't want to leave them. I really like who I'm working with, and they're very good. He's very good at what he does. I think we complement each other a lot. But I'm just curious what I could provide with the community app. I really don't know. It would be like a Patreon thing, but it would be really cheap. I have it, I just don't use it. Like at all. I have no idea. Red markets are opportunities. I agree. Durden. I agree. But it's just long-term advice for me during this market. I'm just buying long-term stuff. What up, Mr. Wiggles? Would you buy Coinbase? I would buy the Coinbase IPO. I would, yes, buy it. New stock prospects. Yeah, Guru's really good.
And like whenever I don't want to trade, he trades. So like we just complement each other a lot, and we're different type of traders too. So that's why I like him a lot. Tomorrow, it's indexes are looking pretty poop, but we don't. I mean, you're not gonna know until London. Could get double toppy, push back down. This was a really big support though. This 12.9. I can't believe it. If we break down through that, that's terrible. So yikes, you know. I don't think King Kong and Godzilla are gonna make AMC go up. Send out DD and new stock prospects for messaging. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I don't know.
Maybe it'd be long term. I don't know. Long term stuff, or just stuff like the YouTube and like YouTube updates. I don't know. One sec. Got a phone call. I talk about AMC. Oh, man. Actually, I'm not exhausted. I'm actually not exhausted. I'm pretty sore, but I'm not like exhausted. I actually have done nothing. Like I just did school. So I woke up pretty early, did school. Like I wasn't doing trading. I was like, nah, I'm just gonna do school and just chill. So I just did like 2 midterms today. I have some tomorrow too, but those are easy. Will AMC rise further if index begin to rise? That's the question. I don't think it has a direct correlation on it, but I think we have a better chance of going up if the indexes stay down. That's the hope. So, if I pray indexes stay down. One sec, guys. Hey guys, give me a sec. I'm gonna hop off for a sec. I'll probably be back. I need to run, so I have to do something really quick. I'll probably be back at like 10:05. Hopefully we get more people.